When it comes to vitamin and mineral supplements, you've got options. There are gummies, chewables, lozenges, sublinguals, capsules, tablets, powders, and liquids. But what is the best form for you? Today we're going to be breaking down the pros and cons of each, the hidden dangers, and how you can make the most out of your supplement routine to boost your overall health. And watch until the end so that you can learn the top 3 supplements that you should consider taking daily to boost your overall health, which is all backed by science and recent research, along with a little bonus. Let's start off with the different types of supplements. Gummies and chewables. These are popular for those that do not like to swallow pills, making them easy to take, and they usually taste pretty good. But be careful, because chewables and gummies often contain added sugars, artificial flavors, and dyes that can impact your health over time. Plus, the dosages are usually very low, so when you're taking these supplements, most likely you're not getting nearly what your body actually requires. Sublinguals. These are usually in the form of homeopathics or vitamin B12, and they dissolve under the tongue. This makes them more bioavailable, meaning your body does not have to break it down before it can use it due to its composition, the way you need to take them, and the dosage that is suggested or recommended is usually pretty reliable. Tablets. These are often usually more widely available, affordable, and have a longer shelf life. However, they do contain binders, fillers, and coatings that may affect absorption. If the tablet doesn't dissolve properly internally, then it may pass through the system without delivering the full dose or even anything at all. This can cause digestive upset and toxic accumulation. Capsules. These are more bioavailable and easier to swallow than tablets. They can break down easier in the stomach, but again, just check the ingredients because many contain unnecessary fillers or gelatin from animal sources if you're looking for a plant-based option. Liquids. These usually offer a faster absorption because your body does not have to break it down. However, the taste can be unpleasant and they usually require refrigeration, making them a little bit less convenient. They can also be more expensive and contain harmful preservatives. Powders. These are similar to liquids and sublinguals because your body does not have to break it down like capsules or tablets. The taste can sometimes be unpleasant and they usually require mixing with another liquid such as water or a smoothie. When being recommended any type of supplement, keep in mind that liquids, powders, sublinguals, and some capsules would be more efficient at delivering nutrients to your cells. When choosing supplements, always check the ingredients list. Just like food, they all contain some sort of preservative, stabilizer, flavoring, etc. These items don't provide any health benefits and may actually interfere with absorption or cause unwanted side effects. But as long as they have minimal additions and those additions are from natural sources, toxic accumulation shouldn't be an issue. Since not all vitamin and mineral supplements are created equal, here are some common options that are more bioavailable for you to choose from. Vitamin B9, needed for the formation of red blood cells and for energy production. If needed, take as L-methylfolate and not the synthetic folic acid. Vitamin B12 helps to prevent nerve damage and is commonly found to be low in vegetarians, especially if fermented foods are not part of the diet. Choose methylcobalamin and not the synthetic cyanocobalamin. It is important to note here that taking B-complex vitamins as a unit, as a family, is more effective than just taking one B on its own. There is B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. So if you need to take a B12 supplement, it may be best to take that in combination with a B complex. Taking one on its own can imbalance all of the others. Moving along, vitamin C, important for healthy immunity, gums, adrenal gland function, and helps with tissue growth and repair. While whole food sources are preferred like citrus fruit, studies do show that taking a timed release ascorbic acid or ester C with bioflavonoids helps to enhance absorption. Vitamin D enhances immunity and is crucial for calcium and phosphate absorption, immunity, along with bone health. Take as vitamin D3 and not D2. Vitamin E, important for cardiovascular health. Natural D-alpha tocopherol is more bioavailable than the synthetic DL-alpha tocopherol. Vitamin K promotes normal blood clotting. If needed, use vitamin K2 and not K1. You sometimes find this combined with vitamin D supplements. Calcium, important for strong bones and teeth, helps to maintain a regular heartbeat and for the transmission of nerve impulses. Calcium citrate or chelate is more bioavailable than the carbonate form. Copper plays an important role in energy production, iron metabolism, and immunity through antioxidant protection. Copper amino acid chelate tends to be more bioavailable than the gluconate or sulfate forms. Iron helps to produce hemoglobin, which helps to oxygenate red blood cells. Choose ferrous bisglycinate or chelate. Magnesium, vital for muscle function, sleep quality, and stress management. Best taken as magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate. There's magnesium L-threonate, which helps with sleep and cognitive function. There's magnesium malate, which helps with chronic pain. And there's magnesium citrate. This form can cause laxative effects if taken in excess. Magnesium oxide, sulfate, and gluconate are less efficient. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant, helps with brain, thyroid, and heart health. A more bioavailable form of selenium is L-selenomethionine. Zinc, involved in immune function, wound healing, and is important for a healthy prostate. The best forms are zinc glycinate or zinc chelate. Just because you're taking supplements doesn't mean that your body is absorbing them effectively. Age, hydration levels, gut health, and even the time of day can impact how your body absorbs nutrients. Also, some supplements can compete with each other when taken together and can interfere with medications. Medications can deplete your nutrient levels, and some vitamins and minerals can make the medications ineffective. So this is important to discuss it with your physician, naturopath, dietitian, and or nutritionist. Let's talk about dosages. The amount listed on a supplement bottle may or may not be what is best for you. Everyone's needs are different, and factors like age, weight, and health conditions play a huge role. So if it is recommended that you take 2 capsules a day or 2 tablespoons a day, you may require more or less depending on your unique needs. And keep in mind that oversupplementation can also be harmful, especially with the fat-soluble vitamins A, E, D, and K, which can build up in the system. According to recent research, here are the top 3 supplements that you should consider taking daily because they do stand out for their everyday benefits. Vitamin D3, essential for immune function, bone health, and mood regulation. Many people are deficient in this vitamin, especially those who live in areas with little sunlight. Vitamin D deficiency is a global public health issue. About 1 billion people worldwide have vitamin D deficiency, while 50% of the population has vitamin D insufficiency. Omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in the brain, nervous system, joint, and heart health, omega-3s are crucial for overall wellness. Smaller fish like anchovies or plant-based algae are great options. And of course, magnesium. Often overlooked, magnesium, as mentioned earlier, is vital for muscle function, sleep quality, and stress management. It's also involved in over 600 biochemical reactions in the body, making it a must-have for daily support. By incorporating these 3 supplements into your daily routine at the correct dosages and in high quality forms, you will be supplying your body with the best support it needs to thrive. And there are many other herbal combinations and whole food supplementation that are available as well, but these are best considered on a case-by-case basis. In the end, choosing the right supplementation isn't just about convenience. It's about making informed decisions for your long-term health. Be mindful of fillers, the form of vitamin or mineral that you're choosing, and also the quality. Make sure that the company that you are buying from prioritizes rigorous testing for purity and safety. In today's day, you cannot get all the nutrients required by simply eating food. Effective supplementation is about quality and not quantity. Here's your bonus. Click the link below and receive your copy on 5 nutrient-dense smoothie recipes that can help nourish your cells today, along with a document entitled The 22 Reasons Why You May Need Supplements. Let me know what you think. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with someone who can benefit from this information. Take charge of your health today by making smart supplement choices. And as always, stay healthy, stay informed, and stay safe.